Hello, this is the freshman tryout solution video. Yeah, I'm trying to live solve this so you guys like understand like the problem solving like mindset, like what you want to be looking at. I'm gonna try to verbalize all my thoughts, so that we're kind of like in a good spot on like how you want to think and stuff. But yeah. Okay, first one. Unique mode. So that means unique mode basically is just like there's not like another mode. Something interesting is that I already see two eights, so the unique mode has to have three stuff. Oh, and it's equal to three. So two of these, I don't know which one of them, just have to be three. The mode and the mean. And then that's just an average to see. So we have x plus y. Wait. I'm gonna assume that this is the inequality. Why? Because if this is the inequality, then x would be 3, and I'm pretty sure they don't want x to be 3 because you're finding the value. Yeah, I'll just do this, and if it doesn't work out, like if disorder, so solving for x, and if it doesn't work out, we'll talk then. But 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 6 plus 8 plus 8 over 7 is equal to 3. I'm just going to move the 7 over here. There is a 7, but I'm just moving it over here. So yeah. So I do not care about Windows updates. Okay, 21 is equal to 15 plus 16, so that's 31. And fortunately, it worked out because x is negative 10. So yeah, and is that the answer? Yes, that is the answer. Okay, so negative 10 is the answer. Okay, vertical axis is percent, so it's just percent over whole. So what is the whole? It's just the sum of all these data points. So I just need to find out what is 6 over t, where t is the total amount of this, and expressed as a percent. Is there like a nice way to do this? Or, well, I'll just write it out. So this is 3, this is 5, 1, 1, 4, 3, 5, 4, 2, 3, 3, 6. Okay, let's see if I know how to do addition. Okay, so 8, 9, 10, 14, 17, 22, 26, 28. 28 plus 12 is 40. So this is just 6 over 40. What is that as a percent? I know I'll reduce a fraction first. That's 3 over 20. Multiply both sides by 5, and that is equal to 15 over 100. So 15%. Okay, box and whisker plot. This is nice. Because they're usually not too bad. Alright, so... So it's just the conditions. It's a number of state. No, it's not number of statements. So we can't get lucky. Average, no, because average box and whisker plots never do anything with averages. You can have an average on a box and whiskers plot in like the form of an x, but this does not give you any information on the average. So already off the bat, A is wrong. B, yeah, that's right. Like it's 42 right here. C, at least fewer than 75. Yes, because remember, this is 25, this is 25, and this is 25. So that would mean that that's at least 75. So yeah, C is right. Potential outlier, I don't know, are they? Well, time to use our nifty, like Q3 plus 1.5 times IQR formula. 44 plus 1.5 times 9. And that has to be, for 55 to be a potential outlier, that needs to be less than 55. But that doesn't look like it's less than 55, because 44 plus 9 plus 4.5, that's not true, so no. D is wrong. Then 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. At most, yeah, because this is less than this, which is 25. So yeah, that works. So the answer are B, C, and E. Nice. Okay. Oh wait, I didn't even get the full problem. All right. So here's the problem. What even is it asking for? I made it really big because I feel like you're gonna have to cross stuff out, but I don't know. Oh, so first I need to find out the median of AMCA, which is not too bad. I'm just gonna cross the value. So this 4 cancel with this stuff. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, 17. So 17 is the median, and that's what we need to get rid of. So, okay. Let me think about this for a second. Okay, so basically, what the idea here is that the median right now is somewhere here. Let's just say, I don't know, like estimating it looks like it's around 22. When you add points, that shifts the median towards this way, right? For example, if I add like I don't know, 3 or like however many, I'm just guessing, it'll move it so that, for example, if it's 15, that works out. But right now it's not. So, okay, so we need to be under 17. So here's where I want to be, because 18 is bad, 15 is good. But at the same time, if I have an even number, that takes the median will be the average of these two, which would be 15 plus 18, which would be 16.5, which also works. So we just need to get it so that right now, if I split a line right in between here, all the numbers here equals all the numbers here. And right now it doesn't because it looks very imbalanced, but we will figure that out. So the easiest way, let me just count. Like, on the big side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I need to add some so that this gets to 15. Right now it's at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if I add 5 more people, it'll be right here. So 15 minus 10 is equal to 5. So that's your answer, I think. Yes. Okay, cool. Yeah, just you don't even have to do math. Just know how to cross stuff out. Good thing we noticed the average. It would be bad if we didn't. But yeah, okay. 5, I'm kind of scared because I don't know if I can live solve this. If I can't, I'll just be honest and say that I'm looking at the solutions, but I'll try. Okay, is there a data set where x is an integer? Yeah. Okay, this is a lot of annoying casework, I think. So first of all, what's the median? Or no, what's the mean? It's just x plus all this. So I'll actually do that right now. That's just 2 times, I'm factoring out 2, so that's 1 plus 2 plus all the way up to 10. So that's 2 times 55. Because remember, there's a formula, n times n plus 1 over 2. So 10 times 11 over 2. Knowing that formula is pretty helpful as sum stuff. So we have 110. So basically, and how many data points are there? 1, 2, 3. There should be 11, right? Because you have the x and then all those sets. 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So we have x plus 110 over 11 is equal to mean. I'll let that be A. And then the medians, have to be careful about this. Okay, so the median is always going to stay the same unless x goes past the median or is the median, right? And then the mean will always stay the same because mean doesn't matter on order. So what I'm trying to say here is that right now we have 11 elements. So there's case 1, x is within the first 5 elements. that means x is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So x is less than 10. Therefore, median is 10, right? C2, if x is 10, wait, did I do this right? If x is 10, is the median still 10? It should be. Yeah. I'm just going to write that down. C equal, or x is 10, median 10. C3 is x is greater than 10. Well, that means, I'm just going to erase this for a second, right here. Now the median is no longer 10, it's 12. Yeah, 12. So that means median is 12. Okay. And now I can organize by cases. So case 1, x is less than 10, the median is 10. So therefore, the mean is, oh wait, let me do this smarter. Then the absolute value of the median minus the mean. So here I'll write this as C1, where x is less than 10. Since the median is 10, the mean minus 10 must be less than 1. At most 1, right? Okay, now let's solve for x. We know that x plus 110 over 11 minus this over, wait a minute. This makes it a lot of easier. This turns into x over 11 plus 110 over 11, which is 10. So x over 11 plus 10 minus 10, absolute value of that less than 1. So boom, this is our thing. So negative 11 is less than x is less than 10. And at most 1, right? At most. So that means this is a, this. So we have the lowest possible value being at 11 for x, and it's inclusive. Now, x can equal 10, and that would work because it satisfies all the conditions. So now let's go to case 3, where x is greater than 10. So we now know that a minus 12, that's the new median, is less than or equal to 1. This here too. So the new one is x over 11 plus 10 minus 12. Minus 12, right? Yeah, okay, minus 12. Absolute value of that less than or equal to 11, or 1. So we have x over 11 minus 2. Absolute value of that is less than or equal to 1. The trick for if you have something less than or equal to for absolute values, you just get rid of the signs or the brackets or whatever, like parentheses they're called. This is what you have. So now you have 1 is less than x over 11 is less than 3. So x is less than 33. Oh, sorry, I forgot these. And is greater than or equal to 11. And it's asking for what? Range. So it's just taking the biggest element, 33. So, and obviously there's some like gap. I think there should be a gap. No, there's no gap actually. This is very seamless. But yeah, 33 is your max minus negative 11. That's equal to 44. So yeah, is that the answer? Yes. Okay. So yeah, I try to go very slow as well, like so I wouldn't make a mistake because I don't want to make a mistake on a live solve, and so you guys can kind of see my full thought process. But yeah, the answer is 44. Okay, cool.